more too, and then just let your body really, really sink in with the breath here. We just gotta get that tension right, but I'm not happy with that set at all. So let's see if we can get some more scoop. Take a breath in and hold, hold, hold. Good, and all the way out. Now look all the way up. All the way, all the way. There it is. Good, and breathe. So we got deep, deep, deep. There's like 3 layers of pull, fascia, unwind, big breath in and hold to sort of protect her rib cage and get, clear the facets. And then when she looks up, what that does is it opens up the disc plane in the front and allows for the deepest set possible, where we're setting along the plane line of the disc, Gonstead style.